Imagine your body as a high-performance sports car. Water is the fuel, but electrolytes are the oil that keeps every part running smoothly. Without that oil, even the best fuel can't prevent engine damage. Similarly, if you're not replenishing your electrolytes, the enzymes in your body, those microscopic workhorses, won't perform at their peak. These enzymes drive your metabolism, help break down food for energy, and regulate gut motility for smooth digestion. Studies indicate that when electrolytes are out of balance, your cells can struggle to generate energy. This may lead to fatigue, weakness, muscle spasm, and cramps. It can slow your metabolic rate, delay weight loss, and even affect your mood, leading to irritability or general sense of malaise. Whether you are on a keto diet, sweating throughout intense workouts, or experiencing vomiting and diarrhea, your electrolytes levels can drop quickly. Want to learn more about why water alone isn't enough? Watch the full video, link in the comments.